Okay guys, same thing here. It says divide, write the answer as a polynomial or a mixed expression. We're going to do the same thing. So I'm going to take the denominator, it goes outside the house. The numerator goes inside the house. 8n cubed minus 6n squared plus 10n plus 15. You'll see I didn't need a placeholder. I have n cubed, n squared, n, and no n at the end. Okay? Now, I'm going to take the first term here and divide it into the first term there. 4n times 2n squared gives me 8n cubed. Now I need to multiply. 2n squared times 4n gives me 8n cubed. 2n squared times 1 gives me 2n squared. Now I need to subtract. This minus this cancels. Negative 6n squared, come on. Negative 6n squared minus 2n squared gives me negative 8n squared. And I need to bring down positive 10n. Now I divide again. What do I multiply 4n by to get negative 8n squared? Well, I multiply it by negative 2n. Negative 2n times 4n is negative 8n squared. Negative 2n times 1 is negative 2n. Alright, let's subtract. A number minus itself cancels. 10n minus, Eric, negative 2n is the same thing as plus. So I'm going to get 12n. And I'm going to bring down my 15, my positive 15. Okay? Now, 4n times what gives me 12n? Well, 3. 3 times 4n is 12n. 3 times 1 is 3. And I subtract. 12n minus 12n cancels. 15 minus 3 is 12. So my answer, and I'll go back up to the top, my answer is going to be 2n squared minus 2n plus 3 plus 12 over 4n plus 1. And I'm going to get rid of this little subtraction sign from our problem. Okay? It's a mixed number. It's a mixed number with a fraction at the end. If I were to give them all a common denominator of 4n plus 1 and then simplify and put them all back together, I'm going to get that fraction that we started with. We're just writing it in a different form. We're going from a fraction to a mixed number. This is like having an improper fraction, and then this is giving me the mixed number. Okay? Let's try the next example.